We'll guide you through how to fix BlueStacks not opening. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
We will go through step by step to fix this issue so BlueStack will work properly. The first thing that you need to do is open Task Manager. To do this, just right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. You can even use shortcut key which is Ctrl Shift and Escape. After you are in the Task Manager, just go to the Process tab and in the search bar, just search for BlueStacks. If you see BlueStacks running even in the background, you need to end the task. Just right click on it and click on End Task. This is important because sometimes BlueStack won't open properly if another instance is already running in the background. Once you have closed all the instances, just try opening BlueStacks once again. And if it still does not open, the next step is to use the BlueStack Multi-Instance Manager. This tool is installed along with BlueStack and lets you manage all the installed instances of the emulator. Open the Multi-Instance Manager by just going to the search bar and search for BlueStacks. And in the recommendation, you will see an option labeled as BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. Just click on it to open. And once it opens, select the instance that you want to fix. Just select it and you will see a little gear icon. Just click on the gear icon to open the instance settings. First, check CPU allocation. For example, if your PC has multiple cores, don't allocate all of them. I recommend setting it to about half of your available cores to ensure stability. Just click on the drop down and select any one that meets the criteria that I mentioned before. In my case, I am going with medium 2. Next, check memory allocation. For example, if you have 16 GB of RAM, allocate around 8 GB to BlueStacks. In my case, I have 8 GB, so I'll just keep it around 4 GB or 2 GB and make sure to click on Save Changes. Now again go to the gear icon and go to Display Settings. Set the resolution to 1600 x 900 and keep the DPI around 240, which is also selected by default. This setting usually works well for most PCs. And don't forget to save the changes. And after saving the changes, close BlueStacks completely. Just open your Task Manager once again, and if it is running, just close the BlueStacks, even close the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager, like so, and click on End Task. Make sure to close all the BlueStack tasks by clicking on End Tasks. In most cases, this will fix the problem, but if it still does not work, just go to your search bar and search for uninstall. And you will see add or remove programs in the recommendation. Just open it. And in the BlueStacks, just click on the three dot and click on uninstall and uninstall the app completely. And once you have uninstalled the BlueStacks, just go to any browser to your liking. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome and search for BlueStacks. And click on the official website and download it again from the official website. And this should fix your BlueStacks not opening. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.